What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a new tripod, ladies and gentlemen. So I use tripods for damn near everything. I actually have y'all on a tripod right now. I have a tripod recording my weed reviews and stuff like that. Weed killer reviews, just to make that clear. And now we have another tripod here. Now this will be good for my bird feeders because my bird feeders are up higher. So it says 69 to 86 inches on the website. So on the website it says 69 to 86 inches. But right here, your lowest that you have seems about 3 foot. Right here we are sitting at 42 inches to the top of the phone holder. So right here you have your phone holder that comes with the tripod. So 180 degrees of tilt, 360 degrees of turning, so you could go vertical or horizontal. And you also get a Bluetooth remote. So if you're doing content creation and if you're like, I don't know, 10 foot away from your lighting or whatever you want to put on here, which has a 1/4 inch thread, so you can put lights, your camera on here, you can put your phone holder, whatever you need on here. 1/4 inch thread. This is your prize right here if you are 10 foot away. All right, so you can do photos and you can do videos right here. So you will have to Bluetooth connect that. All right, and again, this is good because you can go high. All right, loosen that, and there you go. 86 inches tall. We're testing out the integrity. And you guys, they are absolutely right. 86 if you put this vertical, and if you make the legs a little bit skinnier, you can get a little bit higher. Now, you might ask why somebody want to go this high. Again, like I told y'all, I do bird feeding content, so my bird feeders are up a little bit higher, more higher than the traditional tripod, right? And people use lighting. So if you're in photography or videography, you can hook up your light on top of here and have your light aiming down, pointing at, you know, the subject at hand. So that is basically it. Pretty nice. I like it. And if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.